Like, how would they know? Like, really, the texture is not even like this attachment kind of feel. No, like, how will they know? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy James in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, in today's video we'll be making a drawstring ponytail with attachments. We'll be making a ponytail with attachments. That is it basically. This is actually the first time I'm going to be trying this out, so I am hoping it will come out nice. These are the things we'll be needing. We'll be needing a drawstring ponytail net. We'll be needing, I actually used the Lagos braid extension, sorry. And what I'm going to be doing now is just using my T-pins and other pins to place this, to secure this right, into the mannequin head, just to secure it so that to be able to I'll be able to work on it as I have done right now.
When I hear people say I cannot, I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down. I'll be getting loud, you can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
So guys, this is what we have. I actually just have my extension folded in my hand. I'll be working with the hose, and I'll be needing my crochet pin. I don't think I said that earlier. You want to get this size though, but however you can use the bigger size too. You just have to manage it well. I just passed my crochet pin into about two holes. Then I want to pick it with the hook. I want to pick my attachment with it. What I should have done here is just take the number, the exact quantity I want in my hands, because this actually got my attachment messed up. So I'm just going to pick the attachment with the crochet pin and just pass it through the loop. I'm going to do this again so you guys can see clearly. So guys, I already picked the amount I want, the quantity I want in my hand, passing my crochet pin through the net into about 3 holes, pulling it out and just picking the, okay, I ended up using the double knotting method here. You want to do this if it's just an extra security, the single knot might just pull out as you brush and do whatever with your attachment. So you want to double knot it, sorry. Actually, in all honesty, I actually did the two. Sometimes I single knot, sometimes I double knot. This is how I finished it. And guys, I actually went in with more quantity because I just thought the number of quantity I pick does not really matter, as the root is not going to be showing. So this is just what I did, and I passed it through the loop like that. It is very simple, it is very easy, but you want to do this very comfortable, like you want to sit down and do this. Honestly guys, I ended up sitting down to do all this.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss.
So guys, this is what we have. This actually, if you notice, this is actually like 8 p.m. I think. This took me like 3 hours, I'm not going to lie. So you want to do this when you are free, when you really have time. So this is what we have. I actually just filled it. I didn't fill it much. I didn't feel it much at all. Actually wish I did. And I went in with very big knots, guys. Like I took big knots. I actually ended up using the two bundle out of the four bundle on the Lagos braid. So this is what we have. I'm just trying to brush it all out, and so the next step is just to straighten it all out.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase that, face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Hi guys, so I just thought I'll quickly do an installation video where I put on this baby. It's actually in the morning. I actually filmed till late last night, and this is why this video is not even up yet. My face is so swollen. This is currently like 6:30 or 7 o'clock, I think. So I just want to see how this baby looks. Nobody should laugh at my shuku, I beg. My hair is so small and tiny, guys. The reason is because before now I had my hair locked. It was dreadlock I had, and I was just tired. I think it was on me for about a year, and I was just so tired. And another reason is because I needed to start YouTube. I just want to try out things on my channel and all of that, so I just needed to take it off. I took it off like some weeks ago. I think I trimmed it out some weeks ago, so I just want to do something with my hedges. My hair are really tiny. Like my hair is so small, so tiny. The hairdresser tried. I'm just going to do something with my hedges. Okay, I know you can't see what I did with my hedges, but I promise you that I did something, honestly. So guys, I have to rush this because my friend is coming over soon. We are going to be shooting another video today, and I promise you it's going to be a fun one. Like, I can't wait for you to see that video. So guys, this is our attachment. I tried as much to I think you can make it fuller if you want, You can definitely make it fuller if you want, depends on you. This is what we have. So I'm just going to, you know, pin it with these pins. I already made a video on how to do this. We made a braid ponytail. I'm going to leave the video up here so that you guys can go watch. You need to go watch that. Like, it's so helpful. You're going to find, oh shit, it's painful, over. All right, I'm just going to put it down in there and at the back too. Okay, so guys, this is what we have. Like, this came out so nice. Like, I just went in to wrap it with some strands at the back. Like, how would they know? Like, really, the texture is not even like this attachment kind of feel. No, like, how will they know? This came out really nice, guys. I just went in to put my earrings. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Guys, I promise you lots of amazing content. So guys, until I see all of you amazing and beautiful people in my next video, please stay safe. Love you.